Hi there, my name is Jeff Price, and I'm the General Manager of Cubic's GRIDSMART business. I appreciate you taking the time today to attend my presentation and hope that you find it both interesting and educational. First, let me tell you a little bit about GRIDSMART. So GRIDSMART operates in the ITS space, the Intelligent Transportation System space, and was acquired by Cubic a little more than 18 months ago. Cubic is a global business that operates in the defense and transportation spaces. Cubic Transportation Systems, the business unit where GRIDSMART operates, is a leading integrator of payment and information solutions and services for transit, servicing more than 35 million passengers daily. This includes transit systems in cities such as Boston, New York, San Francisco, and Los Angeles, for example. Now, GRIDSMART began life as a venture-funded startup out of Knoxville, Tennessee, in close proximity to Oak Ridge National Laboratory. GRIDSMART operations began in 2007, product development in early 2008, and our first commercial product was released in 2010. Now, GRIDSMART is more than 8,000 intersections and 1,300 communities, including 49 U.S. states and 29 countries. GRIDSMART systems impact the lives of more than 80 million people each day. So, what do we make? The GRIDSMART system is a unique system for intersection actuation, traffic data collection, and situational awareness. So why do I say GRIDSMART is unique? Certainly it's our technology, which I'll explain shortly. And of course there's our vision to improve 1 billion lives. But the key difference for GRIDSMART is our core principles. The GRIDSMART core principles are simplicity, flexibility, and transparency. These principles are the guiding light for our products, our people, and our relationships, and they motivate every single thing we do. We strive to create products as simple as they can be and with great empathy for all users and installers. We believe that flexibility is born of simplicity. We and our products operate as transparently as possible. From the very beginning, we made our product capable of recording and playback so our customers could see mistakes. And we believe features should be so transparent to the end user that they shouldn't even need a user manual to do all the basics.